Hello everyone. In my last video, we have seen how we can create an undetectable backdoor using the fat rat and the elevation. Today, we are going to use browser exploitation framework cross-site scripting method to hook our target person's browser to BeEF, so that we can monitor whatever our person does on the internet. Usually, BeEF is pre-installed in Kali. However, if it is not installed, then visit the link mentioned in the description area to install it. After installing BeEF, launch BeEF. If you are using BeEF for the first time, then you need to log in by using BeEF as your username and you need to set your password. Since I've already logged in, so this is the interface of BeEF. As you can see, currently we do not have any online hooked browsers. In order to hook your target's browser, you need to write a simple JavaScript code. BeEF will inject your JavaScript code to your target's browser. Copy all the code from the description and paste it in a text editor. Don't forget to enter your host IP in the script. Save the file as injectbeef.js. Next step is to navigate to USR Share Bettercap Caplets HSTS Hijack. Open hstshijack.cap. You need to specify the path where you have stored the injectbeef.js file. Enter the path under the payload section. Save it and exit. Now we are all set to launch BeEF. Before we start BeEF, we need to enable Kali's web server, so type the following commands. Now we need to become the man in the middle. Regardless of the method you choose to become the man in the middle, it's important for us to intercept the connections and data which we get from our target computer. So I'm using Bettercap to become the man in the middle. I'm also using HSTS caplets to bypass HTTPS websites. As you can see, we do not have any browser under the online section. Let's go to our target system and browse something. As you can see, we have successfully intercepted the browser and the target system's IP is visible under the online section. Now I'm going to show you some of the cool things that you can do after you have hooked your target system's browser to BeEF. Follow up as being shown on the screen. Using BeEF, we can do a number of attacks on our target system. We can even gain full control of our target system using BeEF. If you have any queries related to the video, do ask them in the comment section. Thank you for your valuable feedback and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos.